Assalamu alaikum. Welcome students. We are discussing about data structures. In data structure, we already discussed what is data structure, type of data structures, and operations which perform on data structures. Now we will see one by one. In non-primitive data structures, first we will see arrays. Array means you know already. Array is a collection of data items of the same type, same data type. It is a collection of data items. Clear? Data items maybe all should be same type. If there are integer type, then all are integer only. If there are character type, all are character only. And the data items we call it as elements. The items which contains the array contains the data items. Those items we call it as elements, array element. And we represent each array contains the size of the array. We should represent size of the array with subscript. These are the square brackets. By using square bracket, we call this as subscript or index. Subscript or indexes. Indexes we are representing. This contains the only positive numbers only. From 0 to start from 0 to n. N means n number of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? What is the size of the array? That it is represented here. Starting from 0 to 1. This we call it as index. Index value. By using this index only, we know the position of the value in the array. In a particular array, what is the position of the value at exactly where it is? We are knowing by using this index value. Index. The index contains पॉजिटिव वैल्यूज. ये हमेशा पॉजिटिव नंबर ही होगा. 0 से स्टार्ट होगा. रिमेंबर इंडेक्स हमेशा 0 से स्टार्ट होगा. 0, 1, 2, 3 इस तरह से कंटिन्यूअस में होगा. क्लियर? वी ऑलरेडी डिस्कस दिस थिंग्स इन oops in C++ review in that also. No, once again I am revising that here. Clear? ये है arrays. In arrays there are 3 types of arrays are there. We already discussed that also. One dimensional array, two dimensional array, and multi-dimensional array. Now you will see one dimensional array. One dimensional array means it contains only one row or one column. One row or column. Only one row it may contain, or it may contain only one column. That is one dimensional array. It contains only one subscript. Within this we are representing the size of the array. For example, int a. Int a is an array. If it is array means we are writing here subscript or index. This is the how we are representing the array. Within this we should represent the size of the array 10. The data syntax means data type, array name, size of the array. This is the representation of the or syntax of the one dimensional array. It contains data type, array name, and within the subscript the size is there. Here int is the data type, a is the array name, 10 is the size of that. Semicolon. Clear? It is size means it contains maximum 10 values within this array. Clear? Same thing is character means character m. It may be any number of. I am writing 2 1. Here it is a character or we can say string also. String, the array of the character is nothing but string. Clear? Here maximum it may contain 12 values. This is about the one dimensional array. Now we will see what are the operations performed on one dimensional array. In last class we discussed the operations of the perform on non-primitive data structures. What are those? Traversing, next searching, sorting, Next, insertion, deletion and merge. These are the operations. 6 operations are there which you perform on arrays. Array also a non-primitive data structure. For example, see array A of 10, it contains some values here. 1, 6, 9, 5, 3. This is one array here. A is an array. These are the values or elements of the array, you can say. Traversing means we are reading all the values from beginning to last. That is traversing. Example, if you want to know which is the highest number in this array, at that time what we will do? We are taking each and every number, we should read, we should assess, we should compare to know the maximum, which is the largest number in this array. That is one example I am telling. Traversing example. How we are traversing. That is clear. Searching. Searching means, for example, I want to search 3. If 3 is present in this array or not. I am searching means I am comparing each and every value from beginning. Searching will be start from beginning till end. When it is found, that is the search operation will be performed. We are searching the particular element. Sorting means this array we want to sort in the ascending order or descending order. These are not in any order. They are randomly values are there. For example, I want to sort in ascending order means lowest value to highest value. The array will become 1, 3, 5, 6, 8. This is ascending order. Descending order means in reverse 6, 8, 5, 3, 1. This is descending order. Clear? That is sorting operation. Insertion means in the particular array I want to insert, for example, 9 at the end of the thing means how we are inserting this value here. Now new array will contain here after 3 it may contain 1, 6, 8, 5, 3, 9. This is insertion. Not in the last only. If you want to insert in between, we can insert. That we will see in next topics. We will see that how we are inserting the values. This is insertion. Then deletion means I want to delete this value. That I want to delete. So I can delete this one. This is the new array. Merging means, for example, this is one array. This is one array. We are merging both and making one single one, combining both the arrays and making one single array. That is merging operation. This is about the arrays. Now we will see one by one. That is for searching we will take one example. Sorting with one example. In everything when we are writing one program, two things will be there in that. One algorithm is there and the implementation part of that is there. We will take one example. For searching we will take one searching example. Binary search or linear search. So many search operations are there. We will take one example. We will write one algorithm and how the implementing that. We are writing the program. We will see next class. If you have any doubt in this, you can ask me. Thank you.